All right, let's turn now to your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
And speaking of sharks, the beach may be where you want to be to cool off. It is just very hot. We're in our heat wave officially. I mean, goodness, Tony, it's hot.
Yeah, the beaches actually were much cooler today. In fact, the clouds and the fog were actually pretty stubborn along the south shore today. In fact, we're looking out our weather window in Newport, still have some low clouds. So the combination of extra clouds along the coast and the fact that we had more of a sea breeze, the coast was a little cooler, but in terms of humidity, like moisture floating in the air, the relative humidity, the humidity levels are very, very high, so it's muggy. A lot to cover. Let's first talk showers and some thunderstorms. And what was once a severe thunderstorm that was out in Hartford, Connecticut, has since fizzled out. There's really not much out there in terms of any much-needed rain, let alone thunderstorms, but we're still going to keep that in the forecast for a few hours. What was once a tornado-warned thunderstorm, it continues to weaken a little bit as it crosses. This is northern Worcester County, Fitchburg. Boston is right in here. This is well north and west of Boston, tracking off to the north and east, so obviously not a factor locally here. But to give you an idea of the kind of environment that New England and southern New England is in, but closer to home, we are very quiet. With that said, we'll keep the chance of an isolated strong thunderstorm in the forecast now till about 8, 9 o'clock this evening. But very isolated. At this point, the risk is low, but the chance is there. In fact, there is still a severe thunderstorm watch for the areas in yellow. It does not include most of southeastern Mass and only northern Rhode Island and then all of Connecticut and up into Worcester County. The environment might be a little better here as far as maybe producing an isolated strong thunderstorm, though right now there's nothing out there. In the meantime, in Providence, the clouds have been on the increase right now, so clouds and some hazy sun. The beaches, notice the low clouds and even a little bit of fog, very humid but cooler. This is Narragansett Town Beach. Temperatures now have settled back into the upper 80s inland and is noticeably cooler along the south shore compared to yesterday when the beaches actually hit 90 degrees. Dew points about as high as they get. This is like South Florida, Bahamas. It is very, very muggy and very humid. So when we take a look at watching, thunderstorms, but again, the chance is actually just sort of hit and miss and slight, but we'll keep that chance going through about 8 o'clock this evening. Yeah, the heat wave continues. We have 3 more days. Sunny, hot tomorrow, but the humidity is a lot lower, so it's more of a dry heat. Really heating up this weekend. In fact, this weekend may get even hotter, especially on Sunday. We'll be like well and perhaps mid and upper 90s. So we're tracking a cold front off to our west. This is the leading edge of some drier air. As the front swings through this evening, it may be the spark that sets off an isolated shower or thunderstorm. But right now, locally on the Doppler radar, there's not much going on. And again, as we showed you earlier, the risk is actually higher in the areas shaded in yellow off to our north and west. But even here in the rest of our area, south and east of Worcester, there's still a chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm coming through. In fact, let's time it out. By early evening, any risk is gone. We'll see some gradual clearing during the overnight. Now, by tomorrow morning, sunshine and already at 79 degrees at 7 a.m. Tomorrow is another hot day. It'll be day number 4. We're going to reach the lower 90s, and the beaches don't have a sea breeze. The beaches are very warm as well. This is 6 o'clock in the evening in the upper 80s, and then tomorrow night at 11 o'clock, warm but dry in the middle 70s. So for tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon, sunshine, and we'll call it a dry heat. Even though it's pretty humid early in the morning, the humidity levels do drop off during the afternoon with temperatures approaching the lower 90s. And it gets only hotter this weekend. We're forecasting 94 on Saturday, 96 on Sunday afternoon. The next chance of any showers or thunderstorms, the approach of a cold front on Monday. But even Monday, the temperature is close to 90. Mike and Chelsea?